making a cherry mash fudge. Now, this one I'm making for Valentine's Day, but you can make it for Christmas if you want instead. Okay, so I've got my pan lined. I don't go both ways. You can if you want. Okay, so for the bottom layer, now it's best if you have cherry chips like this, but I don't have cherry chips in my town, so I'm gonna fake it. And I've got candy wafers here that are red, so I don't even have to add the food coloring. Okay. And that's 1.5 bags of that. And then 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm using 1.5 bags because the white chocolate, it doesn't set up as well as the chocolate when you're making the fudge. So you need to use 3 instead of 2 cups. Now, the other thing is you'll see recipes and it says 2 cups or 3 cups. So usually 3 cups is for the white chips and 2 cups is for the chocolate chips. But honestly, if you use 3 cups with your chocolate, it's not gonna hurt anything. It just make a thicker fudge, so it's not a big deal. Okay, we're gonna put this in the microwave and get it melted. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 2 something. Where'd it go? Page 315. Okay, now stirring in between each melt, or each, 30 seconds to a minute of melting, and I've already done it twice, so I think it's warm enough that it will be melted. Now, since I don't have the cherry flavored chips, I'm using the wafers that are already colored and cherry extract so that I can get that cherry flavor like the cherry chips. Okay, we'll get that all stirred in. Oh, what a lovely color. Now I've got my pan here. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. Now my mom is going down to see my 97-year-old grandmother next week. So I will put these in the refrigerator. Yum. And Mom can take some down to Grandma because this is her favorite candy. It's an old-fashioned candy, and I guess at 97, Grandma's starting to get a little old-fashioned, I suppose. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna use the same bowl, and I was gonna use dark, but I think that I'm going to use semi-sweet. Okay. All right, it has been 5 weeks since I've made any candy videos, so I'm out of practice. Okay, so now I'm gonna melt this. Okay, I got this started melting. The red is not gonna hurt to be in the chocolate. It won't do anything. Okay. Now, I'm wondering, I just want a thin layer of chocolate, so actually I probably shouldn't have made this much. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I have lost the base to my nut grinder. I don't know where it went. So for my peanuts, Going to just do it into the measuring cup. My family puts up my dishes, and so I don't know where they always disappear to, but I appreciate them putting up the dishes, so I do not complain. Got that. There's a couple of big chunks that snuck through. Okay. So now, because I want a smaller, I should have done a half a batch of fudge. So what I'm going to do is take half and put it in here. Okay. Going to get it all mixed up. Just like so. Then I'm going to make another fudge with the leftover. If you guys want the base fudge recipe, it's right here in my Dining on a Dime Volume 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go microwave this and let it get thinner. All right, there we go. Now it's thinner. I don't want to mess up my bottom layer too much, so I'm just going to spread it all around. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to let this set up in the refrigerator, and then we are going to cut it. Okay, I got my cherry mash fudge here. I am going to, I probably should have done both sides with parchment. That's okay. So if you want, you can learn from my mistakes. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. That's even more beautiful. Okay, that is cool. Although, that's not as thick of a layer of chocolate as I thought it would be, so maybe I should have used the whole thing. Oh well, it's fine. Oh, nice. Okay, so let's see, let's do... Okay, I did not cut this even at all. Oops. It's okay. All right. Got a taste test here. I don't think my son wants to taste test, I'm sure. Would you like to taste test, my son?
Sure.
That's pretty good.
Ooh. Yeah, that is good. Is it
Cherry mash. Does that look Valentine's Day-ish?
It does.
Would you make that for your girlfriend for Valentine's Day? As her chocolates?
Well, I'll have to see.
Yum. 10 out of 10.